Hi dear children, welcome to our grade 3 GK. So we will start our session with prayer. All of you sit straight, close your eyes, join your hands and start praying. Asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, in this class we are going to see about adventure sports. So adventure sports means the sports involves extraordinary speed, great physical exertion, keen focus and exceptional bravery. One must be very cautious and take a proper safety measures to enjoy these sports. Some of the most exciting and well-known adventure sports are listed below. So children, we already seen some of the adventure sports in our last session. That is rock climbing, parachuting, paragliding and parasailing. So in this session, let us see some other adventure sports. First one, bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is a sport that involves jumping from a tall structure while connected to a large elastic cord. So bungee jumping is an extreme sport activity in which people jump from higher ground such as bridge or building with an elastic rod that is tied to their ankle to stop them from the hitting of the ground or water. So the rope is designed to stretch or not break. So when the rope has stretched all the way, the jumper bounces back. So these having some of the advantages and also disadvantages. Let's see what are the benefits of bungee jumping. Bungee jumping can overcome your fears and also can release stress and worries, and also you can make amazing memories. Okay, so and also bungee jumping can accomplish huge achievements. So these are the some of the benefits of bungee jumping. So bungee jumping can several disadvantages. Okay, so the rope may be right weight or it may be break. So bungee jumping also causes eye injuries and also it causes pain injuries, back pain and neck pain. These are the some of the disadvantages of bungee jumping. So the next one, skiing. Skiing involves skating on an icy surface using a special board called skis and balancing poles. It can also be a mean of transport and it is also a competitive winter sports. So the skiing have various purposes that includes basic transport and also recreational activity or a competitive winter sports. The skiing is a winter sports that involves uses of skis. These skis are attached to the skiers' shoes or boots to use to glide over the snow. So many people ski for a fun. So it is a fast and exciting activity. Okay, so some of the types of skiing are alpine and or downhill skiing, cross country skiing, free fall skiing and snowboarding skiing. So these are the some of the types of skiing. So the next one, scuba diving. Scuba diving is an activity of swimming underwater using special breathing equipments. The equipment consists of cylinders of air which have to be carried on diver's back. Rubber tube connected these cylinders to the diver's mouth to help him or her breathing. So the word scuba means self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. So the scuba diver can swim underwater for a long time. So scuba diver carry their own source of breathing gas, that is the compressed gas fill in the tank or a cylinder. They are using mask to improve water vision and also using fins attached to the feet for movement under the water. So scuba diving may be done for recreationally or for a professionally. So professionally means which includes scientific research, military and public safety. So what are the benefits of scuba diving? It increases emotional well-being, improves blood circulation and helps to relieve stress, and also improves concentration capacity, and also scuba diving reduces blood pressure. So these are the some of the advantages of scuba diving. So the next one, skydiving. Skydiving is a sports in which person jumps from an aircraft and fall for as long as possible before opening a parachute. The person should use the body to control both the direction and the movement during the free fall. So skydiving is a parachuting sports that features a long fall before the parachute is open for the final stage of the descended to the target on the ground. Okay, so the parachutist aim is to fall in a stable flying position for a long time. So skydiving can be an exciting sports. So typically the skydivers offering 4 to 50 seconds of free falling. So the skydiving may be done individually or within a group of people, but training must be required. So children, in this class we have seen about bungee jumping, skiing, scuba diving and skydiving. Okay, we will see some other adventure sports in our next session. So your today's homework, write 2 points about bungee jumping and skydiving and post it in Google Classroom. Okay children. So after the session, avoid your laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item. Drink more water and healthy fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next session. Bye. Thank you.